term is 1. So for example, we are having 431, 432, then 433. These numbers are in consecutive order, students. So these will be considered as consecutive numbers. So here no number is skipped. Means there is next term minus previous term will give as difference 1. Now place value of 4-digit number. So place value of 4-digit number will be 4 places, students. So ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So we will take an example like this. So here at the ones place 1 is present, at tens place 3 is present, at 100 place 6 is present, and at 1000 place 3 is present. So if we are asked to find out the place value of any digit from these numbers, we will multiply that particular digit by its place value. Means if we are needing to find out the place value of 1, it will be 1 multiply 1 because it is present at the ones place. And if we are asked to find out the place value of 3, so we will multiply this 3 with the place value, that is 10. So 3 multiply 10 will give us 30. Now for 6, the place value will be 6 multiply 100, student. It will give 600. And for this 3, it is present on the 1000 place, so it will give us 3000. So here are the place value of all the digits. Now next topic is face value, students. Actually face value is the value of the individual digit, students. Means if we need to find out the place value of 3 in this, face value of 3 in this, the face value of 3 will be 3 only. And the face value of 6 will be 6 only. If we are asked to find out the face value of 1, the face value of 1 will be 1. So like this, the value of the digit is itself its face value. For example, in 281, face value of 2 will be 2, face value of 8 will be 8, and face value of 1 will be 1 itself, students. Now expanded form. Actually expanded form is the sum of place value of all of its digits, students. So first, before writing the expanded value, first we will write the place value of each digit. Then we will start adding the number or the place value from the downside, and we will move towards upside. So we are writing here the expanded form of this number 3631. So we will start from the downside and we will move towards upward. So now expanded form will be 3000 plus 600 plus 30 and plus 1. So like this we will find the expanded form of 4-digit numbers. Now for short form, students. Short form students, you will write the place value of for 4-digit you will write the 4 places, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now you will look at the zeros or the places at which they are present. So here we are having 4000, the 4 will be come under 1000 place. Where we are having 300, so 3 will come under 100 place. 20, so 2 will come at tens place, and 9 will come at ones place. So sometimes there are some numbers in which some place values are missing. So how will you tackle that situation? You will write the place values like this: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and the numbers or the place values, the digit are given. First write all the digits, and the places which are left blank you will write their zeros because there is no digit present. Here we are having 5000. We will write 5 for under 1000 place. Then we are having 20. So we will write 2 under tens place. Then 9 will be written under ones place. Here 100 place is missing, students. So what will you do? You will write a 0. So the number will be read as 5029. And the above number we will read as 4329. Now we are moving towards our next topic, successor and predecessor. So student, successor and predecessor. Student, successor is the number that comes after the asked number. So here we will find out the successor of 6325. To find out the successor, just add 1 to the given the 542 students. For less than, what we will do? We will just subtract 100 from the asked number. So 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0, 7. So the number which is 100 less than 7,132 is 7,032 students. Now comparing the numbers. Before starting the comparison, students, listen one thing, that more will be the digits, the larger will be the number. Less will be the digit, smaller will be the number. So if there is 4-digit number compared with 3-digit, obviously the 4-digit number will be greater. And if the 3-digit number is compared with the 2-digit number, obviously the 3-digit will be more than 2-digit. Now when the number of digits are equal, so how do we compare? Here we are having number of digits equal, that is 4-digit. So here we are having 4,235, here we are having 5,437. So we will start comparing the number with the thousand place. Here larger will be the thousand place, the larger will be the number. So 5 is larger than 4, so this will be greater than 4,235. Now if the thousand place digit is same, then we will move towards 100 place. So now here we will compare the 100 place. Here is 8 and here is 7. Obviously 8 is greater. So the number 9,876 will be greater than 9,743. Now if the 100th digit is also same, what will you do? You will compare the tens place students. Here tens place is 1 and here is 3 students. Obviously 3 will be greater. So 3,412 is less than 3,439 students. After this we will discuss ascending order and descending order.
So students, here we will discuss about ascending and descending order. First of all, in ascending order you will write the smallest one number first, then greater than that and greater than that, and at last greatest. So students, in it is opposite in descending order. In descending order you will write the greatest one first, then smaller than that, then smaller than previous one, then the smallest. So here we are having an example in which we are having 4 terms: 4,321, 9,413, 1,324 and 8,051. So students, here we will compare the thousandth place digit, then we will write the ascending order and then descending order. In ascending order we have to write the smallest one first. So smallest one first is 1,324. Then greater than 1,324 is 4,321 student. Now greater than this will be 8,051 student. Then at last greatest one will be 9,413 student. So this is our ascending order of above example. For descending order we will reverse the numbers. You can also put a sign of greater than in this. Now in this the descending order the numbers will get reversed. So 9,413 will come first because this is the greatest one. Then less than this 8,051. Then less than 8,051 will be 4,321, and then less than for this will be 1,324. Now students, there are two types of number, even number and odd number. To differentiate between both of these number, we will compare the unit place or the ones place digit. So if the unit or ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 students, then the number will be considered as even. But if the unit place or ones digit number is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then they will be considered as odd number. In the given examples we are having 30, so the ones digit is 0. In 12 the unit place is 2, in 78 it is 8, in 44 it is 4, and in 66 it is 6. So if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is the unit digit, the number will be considered as even number. But if 1, 3, 7, 9 or 5 are the unit places, the number will be considered as odd students. Now next topic is rounding off to tens. So now for rounding off to 10 students, you will look at the unit digit or the unit place digit. You will see that if the unit place digit is less than or greater than 5. So if the unit place is greater than 5, here we are having 6. So 6 is greater than 5 student. So what we will do? We will make the unit place as 0 and add 1 to the tens place digit. So here it is 6, so we will add 1, it will become 7, rest of the digit will be same. So after rounding of 7466 to tens, the answer will be 7470. Now we will discuss if the unit place or the ones place is less than 5 student. So as 1 is less than 5, so we will just make the unit digit as 0 and rest of the digit will be same. So after rounding of 4031, the answer will be 4030. So this was about rounding of ascending order and even and odd number. In the next slide we will discuss about Roman numerals. So now let's begin with Roman numerals, students. There are some symbols for Roman numerals that you must learn. So I is for 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. And take care that the alphabet written must be in capital form only. No small letters are there in Roman numeral. Now some rules are there, students, that we will discuss. First rule is repetition of any symbol means addition. Means if we are writing here 2I we have written, so this 1I is for 1, so 2I will be for 2, 1 plus 1 2. Now here we are having 2x, so 1x stands for 10 and 2x stands for 20 students. So this implies that repetition of symbol means addition. Now next is the smaller number written at the right hand side means of larger number means addition. Means if the smaller number is written towards the right hand side, then the numbers must be added, and if the smaller number is written at left, the numbers will be subtracted. So for the right case we are having V and I. V stands for 5 and I stand for 1. So we will do addition of 5 and 1. It will gives us 6. So this VI stand for 6 and IV. I is smaller than V. So it is written at the left hand side. So what we will do? We will subtract I from V. That is 5 minus 1 will gives us 4. So IV will stand for 4. Now there are some notes, students, or the important facts that you have to take care, that I can be subtracted from V and X. So we can subtract the I or the 1 from X and V only, students. And X can be subtracted from L and C. We can only subtract X from L or C. L stand for 50 and C for 100, students. V, L and D means 5, 50 and 500s are never subtracted. So students, this was our topic of numbers for our third class. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you all in our next video. Thank you. Bye.